the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Sprint. So I'm on reddit.com here, and so it's talking about the new plans that are coming to Sprint, guys. So shout out to this Reddit user. Shout out to I forgot the dude's name. Up here, me version 33. Shout out to him. So here's the one that put this up on Reddit here. So this will be linked in the description of this video. So basically, guys, Sprint, we roll out new plans. It says so unlimited freedom is ending July 12th. So I'm guessing this plans will begin July 13th, which is next Friday the 13th. So it says with it ending, we have a new plan rolling out, which I have detailed below. Wow. But the person can't take a picture of it. The details are straight from Sprint. So the person who wrote this post, I'm guessing he works for Sprint or whatever. So shout out to him, and thank you for providing us with the information. And yeah, so the two new plans coming out to Sprint, I think July 13th, that's when they launched, is Unlimited Plus and Unlimited Basic. Now, Unlimited Plus, one line is $8, two lines is $50, three lines to 10 is $30 a month per line there. And the features of this plan includes 15 GB of mobile hotspot, HD video streaming 1080p, Hulu included, Tidal Premium included. That's free. You don't have to pay for it. It's no 6 months bullshit. You get to have Tidal for free on the Unlimited Plus plan. And you get premium international experience, Canada, Mexico, free roaming, 10 GB LTE data. So not too bad there. It says bring your own device as new line or added line and get a $20 and get $20 off per line. Example, if you own your line, you get $20 off your line if you are adding a line of service for Sprint. If you own 5 lines, you get $100 off your service, $20 a line plus 5 lines if you are adding said lines for Sprint. It says, as far as we know, the bring your own device promotion is available for new lines of service, not existing lines of service. So I guess you gotta be a new customer to get this, I guess. I don't really know if this is I guess this is a bring your own device plan, I guess. I don't know. That's an Unlimited Plus, Unlimited Basic, guys. For the first line, it's $60. Second line, it's $40. Line straight to 10, it's $20 a month per line there. And what you guys get with the Unlimited Basic is 500 MB of mobile hotspot, 40p video streams, Hulu included, and premium international experience, Canada, Mexico free roaming, and 5 GB LTE there. Now, this is where the good shit comes in. Deprioritization at 50 gigs. Now, this is fucking awesome, guys. So as you guys know, Sprint currently deprioritizes their data at 23 gigs on Sprint, Boost, Virgin, and carriers like that. So 50 gigs before you get deprioritized is pretty damn good. So I wonder if that deprioritization threshold will be applied to Boost and Virgin. I wonder. We will have to wait and see, guys. T-Mobile, they deprioritize data at 50 gigs, AT&T 22 gigs, Verizon on the unlimited plan, they deprioritize data at 22 gigs on their above unlimited. Verizon deprioritize data at 75 gigs on Verizon. Depending on what plan you have on Verizon, it has different deprioritization thresholds. So let's see if we get any comments in here. So yeah, people saying it's kind of like T-Mobile there. So I'm guessing the prices are going up for Sprint, because I'm guessing the prices will be going up with these plans, so the prices are a bit much there. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, guys. These plans are supposed to get launched on the 13th of July, and this is interesting. So Unlimited Freedom is going away. That is ending July 12th, and these plans are taking over. So Sprint's going to have two unlimited tiers, Unlimited Basic and Unlimited Plus. You get 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot. On the Unlimited Basic, you get 500 megabytes of hotspot, which you can get to that in like 2 seconds. I don't know, I'm sure there's like data in there, I'm sure. I don't know what happens if you get every 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot. I don't know if you're throttled to 128 or what. I might do an update video on this when these plans launch on Sprint next Friday the 13th. So yeah, what do you guys think about these plans from Sprint, guys? Are you guys interested in these? Are you guys think these are good plans, bad plans? What are your thoughts about this? On the Plus, it has Tidal Premium included and Hulu included. You don't have to pay for it, it's included, and you get 10 gigabytes of roaming data. The Unlimited Basic, you get Hulu, and you get roaming, and you get 5 gigabytes of LTE roaming there. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, guys. And the thing I like about these plans is the data prioritization threshold is now at 50 gigs instead of 23 gigs from Sprint. So we'll see if AT&T responds to this, and we'll see if Verizon will up its data prioritization on the Unlimited plan. We'll see if they do. I doubt it, but you never know. We'll see if AT&T responds to this. So what do you guys think about these new plans coming to Sprint next Friday? Are you guys gonna get these plans? I think you have to be a new customer to get these. So existing customers cannot get these plans. So you have to have a new line of service, and you have to bring your own device or whatever. So yeah, like I said, guys, I'll do an updated video on this next Friday when this plans launch. So stay tuned for that. And I'll let you know you guys' thoughts on these plans, man. Do you guys think these are good plans, bad plans? What do you guys think about the prices? Yeah, so we'll see how these plans do when they get launched next Friday, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.